In this video, we will learn about overloading methods in Java. In Java, it is possible to define two or more methods within the same class that share the same name, as long as their parameter declarations are different. When this is the case, the methods are said to be overloaded, and the process is referred to as a method overloading. Method overloading is one of the ways that Java supports polymorphism. When an overloaded method is invoked, Java uses the type or number of argument as its guide to determine which version of the overloaded method to actually call. Overloaded method must differ in the type or number of their parameters. While overloaded methods may have different return types, the return type alone is insufficient to distinguish two versions of a method. When Java encounters a call to an overloaded method, it simply executes the version of the method whose parameters match the arguments used in the call. Let's see an example of it. In our class method overload, I will define a function which take no parameters. Just void do it, and it also don't return any value. And inside it, I will print some message. No parameters. Now I'm going to define again the doIt function, but with one integer parameter. Example, void doIt, and now pass in integer parameter x. And print some message. This method with one parameter. Method with one parameter, and its value now I will overload doIt method for two integer parameters. Int x and int y. Over here, two parameters, x plus y. Now I will change the type of a parameter from int to double and overload doIt again. So it's gonna be void doIt double x. here just I need to print some message again. System.out.println and method takes double, let's say, parameter. And now just print the value of x. You can see doIt function is overloaded 4 times. The first version takes no parameters. This one over here. The second take one integer parameter, and the third take 2 integer parameters. Fourth version of doIt take one double, and also we are going to return double return x. So this function also, or this method also, return a value. It is not related to overloading, since return type do not play a role in overload resolution. When an overloaded method is called, Java looks for a match between the arguments used to call the method and the method's parameter. Over here, just returning the value, I will add x into x and then return the value. Now, in our main function, we can create an object of our method overload class and test this function. It's gonna be method overload new method overload. Now first I will call doIt function without any argument, and after that I will call its doIt function with one integer value. For example, I can select any, it's 2, and then doIt with 2 values. And the third one, the fourth one, 1, 2, 4, doIt, and now I need to pass double value, such as this function also return value of double type, so I will save in a variable sum, and can go ahead and print the sum value also. Now we just need to run our program. Just right click on it. on our main class and run. You can see over here in our output, we also got that some value returned to us and printed in our main function. To learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.